So the city is mostly car free. I can see stuff. I'm the first floor, so let's go. You're supposed to be relaxing in the spa, not exercising. So now we're going into a trace. Let's go down the mountain.
Hello, friends! Marina has just arrived in beautiful Switzerland, land of mountains, chocolate, and incredible adventures. And guess what? This time, Marina is getting ready for something truly exciting.
I have been in Switzerland for the past week, and it has some beautiful spring going on, but from this spring, we're heading straight to winter.
Wow, Marina! It looks like no one has ever flown like you before. Wow, wow, wow! You're truly making this an unforgettable adventure.
So that?
Нет, наперед. Да. Залезай сюда.
Oh, Marina, I would have been super scared. Did you know these helicopters in Zermatt fly at altitudes of over 3,000 meters above the ground? That's higher than many mountain peaks. You're so brave up there among the clouds.
So guys, we're going up now, so yeah.
Looks like Marina's mom is scared more than Marina, hey.
Look how good Switzerland looks from above. Look how good Switzerland looks from above.
Marina, don't forget to wave and say hi to all your friends down below. Wow, Marina, you're flying right above the stunning Lake Geneva. This is one of the biggest lakes in Europe, surrounded by beautiful mountains and charming towns. What an incredible view from up here. Look, Marina, you're flying right past Le Grammont, one of the stunning peaks above Lake Geneva. It's so tall and majestic, it really feels like touching the sky. Friends, where do you think Marina is flying to in this helicopter? Share your guesses in the comments below. And don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel for more adventures. Wow, Marina, look, it's a real winter wonderland. After an exciting 45-minute helicopter flight from Geneva, Marina has arrived in the magical winter wonderland of Zermatt. And now she's ready to show us her beautiful Swiss chalet. Let's go.
Mountain life is very hard because to get everything you need to come down the mountains, and that is at least 2 hours. And Amazon packages don't come with.
Haha, Marina. Looks like living up here means no speedy deliveries, just fresh mountain air and lots of adventures instead.
So this is gonna be my room. Over here we have a bathroom. What's this all door? Oh, it's like an outside door. Oh, there's snow. There's actually snow outside my door. If I actually get down and go over here, there's actually snow outside my door. I can see it. There's like this little candle. It's like a hair dryer, a sink, and a shower. And this is like a mirror and a chair. Probably the only chair. So this is what I'm going to be able to play Roblox. Or behind the bed. Looks like pretty good. Space. I feel like build a little secret room. It's TV. I got a TV. And just like my bed. I don't want to really mess it up like in usual videos because like we just came. I don't want to mess up my bed.
Marina, testing the bed with a full jump. Looks like you're giving it the official kid-approved rating. Bouncy and fun. Haha.
So this is my room tour. Hope you enjoy.
All right, Marina, we've seen the bed. Now show us the rest of your mountain hideaway. What other cozy corners are hiding in your chalet?
Well, this is my living room, and we have a TV and games. It's like a balcony and some chairs. We have little thingies. It's actually a magnet.
Marina, that's a game of chess. It's all about strategy, thinking ahead, and outsmarting your opponent. Ready to become a little chess master?
Fireplace. We have a chair. We have like the bigger TV.
Look, Marina, a telescope. You can use it to see stars shining high above the snowy mountains. And hey, do you remember when you visited a real observatory in the Maldives? If you missed that adventure, make sure to go back and watch it. And if you don't want to miss any of Marina's next magical journeys, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give us a like, and leave a comment.
Trying to make this thing work is impossible. I used to really want a telescope, but it's really hard to make it work. I can see stuff, it's just blue.
Haha, Marina. It might be a better idea to stargaze at night, not in the middle of the day. But hey, points for enthusiasm.
I can just see the sky and I see something like yellow. I think it's the sun or a mountain. I don't know why a mountain can be yellow. Here we have the chairs and it's like a kitchen. Oh, like this. Okay, I get it.
Oh, wow. Marina, chef cooking lunch? Let's go see how it's going in the kitchen. Maybe we'll get a sneak peek and a yummy smell.
What are you guys making? What is cooking?
Rice, fried rice.
Oh, fried rice.
And pizza.
Oh, pizza.
And caprese, tomato and mozzarella.
That's a lot of stuff. Come over to the spa. I'm the first floor, so let's go.
The spa sounds perfect. Let's go have a look.
So this is the spa. There's like a sauna in here. I'm not gonna go in because it's gonna be hot. Now over here we have like little chairs and a big fat swimming pool. And there's a shower. And you can swim like under there and get into an actual freezy cold little space. It'd be very good to do. And then right here there's like exercises. You're supposed to be relaxing in the spa, not exercising.
Haha, Marina, you know, some people actually relax by doing sports.
Who built the spa does not know what a spa is. Because I'm not supposed to exercise and the spa is supposed to relax. It's a little skincare treatment or something. I think that's just what we wanted to put in.
Okay, Marina, it's time to head back and enjoy that delicious lunch. While Marina's having her lunch, it's the perfect time for you to give this video a like and subscribe to the channel, so you never miss a new adventure.
So guys, we just had lunch and now we are going to meet a ski suit and then we're going to ride on a train up the mountains and ski down. So let's go.
Oh, that sounds lovely. Let's go, Marina.
So I'm picking myself a skiing costume and I picked this blue one. I like it a lot. So I picked this suit and I'm going to go try it on. Where can I try the suit on?
Haha, some people sing in the bath, some in karaoke. But Marina, she's giving concerts right in the fitting room.
Okay, this one's good on me. So one I chose and we're getting it because it's really good.
Yeah, Marina, that ski outfit looks perfect on you. Now let's hit the slopes.
Okay guys, I'm ready. So now we're going to go ski down the mountain. So we're going to the train now. It's not too close to here, so we're going to like walk around the city.
Oh, nice, Marina. Let's explore Zermatt. There's so much to see and do. I'm sure we're in for a fun adventure.
So there's a lot of chocolate in Switzerland right now, but this is one of the candy stores and they even sell the white chocolate, which I made in one of my videos, so you can see that. and also learn how to make yours.
If you're watching our video for the first time, welcome. We've got loads of fun episodes where Marina is cooking all kinds of sweet treats. Make sure to subscribe and explore them all. And don't forget to leave a comment. What's your favorite sweet?
There's a lot of decor here, but since there's a lot of sheep and cows, most of it is based on them. I also found a hat over here. Now I'm in the sheep hat. This is the mountain we're going to. There's like a chocolate theme to it. And we're going to open it in the train. So let's go. So the city is mostly car free. So there's a lot of bicycles and there's no cars. Maximum there's only trains here. So since cars are banned here, to get to the city, you can either use a train from going up to go down over here, or if you have too many suitcases, you can use this electric taxi, which we used that.
Zermatt, one of the most charming towns in Switzerland. It's super eco-friendly. There are no petrol cars allowed here, only electric vehicles and horse-drawn carriages. Surrounded by snowy peaks and peaceful streets, it's the perfect place to enjoy nature, fresh air, and a little alpine magic.